So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the previous video. Sorry for the pause interruption, it's all fine. So here, this image will completely satisfy you. All chests are unlocked. I can tap on any, it'll open. I have to claim a reward. I have to claim a reward on the left side corner also. It's a nice image. So today is video is made for this event. What happens is this is one of the most exciting part of Clash Royale, where you can unlock so many legends. And if I can give you the secret of easily winning these matches, then won't you enjoy, man? Come on, just tell me, won't you enjoy if I give you each and every secret of winning all these games which are upcoming? And they're gonna give you so many legendaries. You can unlock 6 legendaries if you don't have. You should be excited, man. So today I'm gonna give you an extremely nice deck and extremely well host this episode of mine of Clash Royale, and I'm gonna make you enjoy. So basically, first let's clear the craving. Let's unlock all the chests. Yeah, boring. If I get a legendary from a silver chest, it's just crazy. I have all cards, but that would really be damn cool. So I'm unlocking the pass where I work first. Not bad. Crown chest is giving me better results. And this is the most empty screen ever seen. Most empty screen, okay? So first, of course, we got to prepare a nice little deck on a waste one. So first, of course, we need a Mega Knight because the challenge is all about him. We got to take a log. See, now I'll tell you each and every feature. Mega Knight is very good for towers and clearing big troops. Logs for clearing side troops like princes, goblins, skeleton army and all. Electro Wizard, which is for defending Sparky, Inferno Dragon, Inferno Tower, saving your Mega Knight. Then we are going to keep Sparky itself because the combos are pretty nice combo with a Mega Knight. And if Sparky is focused on a tower, you cannot distract it. When it's not focusing, you can distract it. So at the end moment, Sparky could make you win. Now, of course, we got to take a nice P.E.K.K.A, which can defend massive troops. Even if a person is a Mega Knight, you just need to play P.E.K.K.A, and if he has a Skelly army, the log will handle all that stuff, man. Now one more person we got to take is the Valkyrie. Very strong. Executioner too. I don't remove from my deck. Valkyrie and Executioner, these both acts cards, troops, and actually Executioner throws the axe, but Valkyrie spins. So they both take a lot of area damage and splash damage. Splash damage means defeating troops like a lot of skeleton army and all at a time in one go, like that. Now one more thing we need is a balloon. So we're not taking a wizard because we already have 2 air troops like that. So I'm taking a balloon. So what happens is it's really tough to stop a balloon unless a person has fire spirit, ice spirit, musketeer, all air defense which work properly. So this is a little high rated deck. So P.E.K.K.A can of course defend, but if you keep one troop which is a building troop, you can defend. So I prefer Inferno Tower a little more than a P.E.K.K.A because Inferno Tower can also defend a Mega Knight. The deck will have a little high elixir cost, but this is a worth it deck. So we're going to try the first match and let's see if our deck actually works. So we have already shown you the deck, then I will build it again here. Log, Electro Wizard, Sparky. We had Sparky, remember guys? Where's Balloon? Balloon should be here only, I think. Yeah. Where is it? Where's Balloon? Where's Balloon? No guys, where's Balloon? Come on. Don't tell me it's here and I cannot see since when. Please, just don't tell me that. Wait, what? Guys, why can't I find my balloon here? See here. Here. The hell? Where's the balloon? Guys, this is a little odd. Don't you feel? Fine, I find Executioner. I found Valkyrie, but suspicious. I found infinite tower also, but the hell is balloon? Where the hell is it, guys? Write in the comment section right now if you can see it, because I cannot see it anywhere. What? Where is balloon? Okay, let me take some time for this. Okay, so instead of a balloon, I've simply decided to take a wizard, because I really need like 2 wizards in my deck for the wizard combo. I'm going to use ice wizard in my deck, although it's level 10. And here we go. Start our first game. Ooh, legendary arena. That's great. So first of all, don't place the Inferno Tower. See, this is the so we do something here. I think lucky zone to the king. Your BB Dragon will not take any damage. Stop the fisherman! Oh god. Taking sufficient damage there, I think. But the fisherman combo is really dangerous. It's really hard to stop a Valkyrie. He's already contacted the tower spawn. Okay, that's great. You've already taken damage on both the towers. This is kind of equal damage which you have taken. I think we've taken 14 damage difference in both the towers. Okay, now he's not playing anything. We just play a Sparky without anything. Let's see what my Goopy has to do something to Sparky. He's not defended. Wait, he's online also. Come on, Sparky, one shot. That was amazing, keeping Sparky in the deck. Now what we do is we just place some Mega Knight in the center, so you can immediately just bounce in the tower without walking off. Boom! Boom! Wait. Oh, just let the tower destroy this one. And there you go. Now Inferno Tower in case. I think he's gone offline. But maybe actually we are playing good. This deck really works and it's making us win also. Now I think the Executioner can do the job, or no, I think Executioner will do it. One extra push to the Executioner, and I think 2 more shots of the Executioner will kind of 3 more. And we got the 3 towers. Maybe I don't know if he's online or if he cannot play what we play, he cannot defend what we play. So we already got the result in 1 match. Here's the amazing one. Here's a Mega Knight coming up. And here as Sparky, I need to upgrade it to level 10, guys. Good. 1 more. Now let's see if we get an actual tough opponent this time. There's people bucked up in my clan. CR7, I told you. But you dropped down so much in this season. Oh god, starts with a prince. Ends with a... That's a level 4 firecracker. Like, am I seeing what I'm really seeing? A level 4 firecracker on the arena. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm sorry, Electro, but you're gonna die because of darkness, but it's not bad also. Damage, achievement, successful. 909, Inferno Tower coming up. That's great. Inferno Tower has defended right tower from Mega Knight. Now, Sparky on the left. I think Sparky will do the job now. Go. Oh man. I think Prince is taking nice damage there. And I got time to keep an Executioner or something. Aha, that was the shot. Sparky will need 1 shot. Bolo, move Sparky. Where's the load up? Sparky load up. Come on, 1 shot of Sparky will do the thing. What? Seriously? funny. 400. Valkyrie, perfect deck. Perfect. This deck just works, man. What do I say? Once Valkyrie connects with the tower, it's impossible for him to stop Valkyrie. And Mega Knight has to come on the battlefield now. And I think Electro Wizard for defending the Infinity against me. Wait, log will do the job. I think the shoot that the Firecracker did. Oh. Come on, take it damage. Oh. Man, this is not funny. They're coming to the tower like hell. Aha! There's high defense, right? I think Dog and the Infinite Tower are going good with my picks. King 1 Electric is like, no Dark Prince. Come on, Wizard, just one shot. King Valkyrie is in the job. Okay, one time. We won the game. That was close, man. That was close. Let's have some biscuit. The game is slow enough. And we got 10 That's amazing. 1,000 coins coming up. So guys, as you'll see, I have already given a demonstration of 2 games right here, and you'll just see how it is working. And I just want to check one thing, if the Lumberjack event is... When is it coming up? No info? It's fine. So, as we've seen, I've played 2 matches. And this time it was a proper match where I was playing against a proper defensive and attacking guy. And as you see, we have won 2 matches, and this deck is really working. I don't want to make... wait, if I find Balloon, it's good. Yeah. I've been trying it since ever. What do I say? But, you know... what do you say? Which card is doing the job? I forgot the name. Wizard and Infinity. Not Infinity. Infinite Tower. Infinite Dragon moves, but the health line is less than Infinite Tower at least. So guys, I hope you like this video, and please use this deck. And also, as I'm telling you, you can friend me at my code #QR2 UCQ2 UCQ2QJ. I'll just read it again. Wait, if you're confused. #QR2 UCQ2QJ. And I changed my clan because there was no clan wars there. I cannot start a war currently. I ain't a co-leader, but it's fine. We are members eligible for War Day and for the proper clan war. And as you can see, there's the clan code. You can easily join the clan. And I'm currently on the 1st position in this clan. Yeah, of course, in that clan, War Day never happened in clan wars. At least in this clan, it could happen at least. Okie dokie. So basically, this is the deck. Oh, not Fisherman. Where's Wizardy Ball? Must be down. So this is the deck. If you want to win, like, you can use your own deck, but this is the most suitable deck for this challenge. I hope you like this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Feel free to write in the comment section, and please give me more likes and subscribes. I'm very excited.